I want to give you something that helped me and I think will help you. I believe I talked to you about this before, but the general concept is this. The amount of quantity that you are engaged in is not enough. And I'm going to use the board today and draw out a couple things for you that will help to illustrate what I'm talking about. And I'm talking about this in terms of prospecting. What I want you to think about is a funnel. And think about like a funnel that you would put oil in your car or you would use in your kitchen. Okay? And then I want you to think about, you know, those bottles of honey where you squeeze and you can kind of squeeze out some to put on toast or whatever you need to do. You know what I'm talking about? If you take your bottle of honey and your objective is for it to arrive down here, you know, on this plate. And you take that honey and you just drop one drop. Boop. One little drop. What are your chances that that one drop makes it here? The honey is amazing. It's spectacular. It's unbelievable. The chances are not 100%. What's going to happen? That one drop is just going to like maybe glide down the side here a little bit and then dry up and it's over. Let's say you put a drop here, and a drop here, and a drop here, and a drop here. Is it going to flow down onto this plate? Yes or no? What are the chances it's going to flow down to that plate? It's improved slightly, but only ever so slightly. What do you need to do in order to be able to fill this plate? I'll make this different. I'll make this a bowl. Fill this bowl with honey. What do you have to do? More honey. Quantity is the solution to almost all of your problems. So here's what I mean by this. I want you to just kind of get this in your head because you have to find prospects. You have to invite. You have to present. You have to follow up. All of that goes in here. And down here, you close. Some of you are wondering, what's the matter with me? I just don't know. My honey's really, really good honey. Why do I not have more down here? Can you understand why? You're not putting enough of this in here. You've got to increase the quantity of this. Finding prospects, inviting, presenting, and following up in here in order to be able to go there. Now, here's what I would tell you. You don't even have to be very good. Would it matter? It wouldn't. Ultimately, you're going to get enough in here that these walls are going to get coated with honey and things are going to begin to flow. And as they flow, now you've got a business. Now, again, 4 things we do in network marketing. We sell products using word of mouth advertising. We build an ever-expanding team. This is what we're talking about, recruiting. An ever-expanding team of people who are doing the same thing. We duplicate the process. and we lead the teams that we build. Those are the 4 things that we do. So don't get it twisted like, oh, do I have to recruit for forever? Only if you want a growing, expanding business. If you want to have the true leverage of your network marketing experience. If you want to just sell some product and have a few people who sell some product and have a little hobby, that's great, but that's not why you joined this program, right? You join this program to have a breakthrough and go to the next level. And here's what I'm telling you. Quantity, even if it's unskilled. Quantity, even if it's scared. Quantity, even if you're nervous, is going to solve your problems. You have to talk to more people. The goal is by the end, it's just flowing. People are just joining. It's not like you're pushing a rock uphill, but people are just, they're adding to your business, and they're getting involved, and they're getting started, and they're starting to build teams, and it's just happening. If you put enough honey in that funnel, the weight of the honey ultimately will push it downwards and to a result. The weight of all that prospecting will push it downwards and to a result. Now, I know for some of you it's uncomfortable. I know for some of you, you might be an introverted person like I am, and you have to really psych yourself up for this. I know for some of you, you've got your self-doubts, and you've got your inner demons, and you've got your old programming, and you've got your, the lack that's kicking in, and your own limiting beliefs. I understand all that. That's why we decide to kind of craft this and do it in a burst instead of drip, 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 drip. Okay?